Hey guys, I'm going to do some fly video. If enemies cry, what's the song that? She gonna watch her show. She gonna watch her show so she don't cry. So crunchy. Let's see if there's an pop. Oh yeah, there it is. It does crunch when you squeeze it. This isn't like a jiggly. So things best I'm saying all the words I'm fed up and tired of the ways of things have been. Ooh, the ways of things have been. Oh, ooh. I was surging, I was working, and one knows I was working, but I didn't know to it, but no. Did not see it. No. It's not fresh. Everyone knows I'm pain. YouTuber, yeah, everyone knows I'm a YouTuber, Okay, okay. Guys, this is Dick. Yeah, I know it's all right. It's great here. You can't stop. Yeah, you can watch your show. You can watch your show. You can watch your show. Yes. Ugh.
The only thing that Jen said is you might want to book a week off in January and try and feel that if your annual leave starts in January, February time, people don't know what I want to do yet. But I know
You can watch your show. You can watch your show. Watch your show. Go watch your show. Watch your show. Yes. Goes in my swan. I want you can watch your show. It didn't bother me. You. Yeah, yo. Adiga. They follow me. You can watch your show. Yes. You. So this is like water slime or like sand. Yeah, sand. So that one's a tool.